Welcome to Old School Chemistry. Today we're going to do the ALEKS topic, writing a chemical formula given a chemical structure. I want to remind you of a couple of rules. First, when we're writing atoms, you're going to use the periodic table. You find your atoms and you write from left to right. The atom that's most left, that's what comes first. And then the atom that's most right, that comes next. Write atoms in the same group, bottom to top from the periodic table. So for example, if I had two atoms, let's say that I had sulfur and oxygen in my element, in my compound, I'd write sulfur bottom and then oxygen top. So if you have elements in the same group, you're going to write the atom that's lowest first and then the atom that's higher next. Now there is an exception to this, and it's hydrogen. With hydrogen, write hydrogen as the second element, except when it's in groups 16 and 17. And that's if you don't have any other elements. If you have any elements in any other group, you're not going to write, or hydrogen will be second. If we have elements only in groups 16 and 17, then hydrogen comes first, like water, H2O, or hydrofluoric acid, HF. And no, there's exceptions to even that, but this is a simplification for ALEKS. Okay, let's take a look at it. I have hydrogen, carbon, and bromine. Let me show you where these are on the periodic table. There's my hydrogen. I always kind of just look at that, keep it in my back pocket, know that it's there. Then I have carbon and bromine. Oh, so carbon is the most left compared to bromine. Even though bromine's in group 17, I go, nope, carbon trumps because it's more left. So carbon comes first. And I have two carbons, so C2. Hydrogen comes next, comes second place. There's two hydrogens, and then I've got two bromines, Br2. Now be careful. In ionic compounds, yes, you can simplify the subscripts because we write those in their smallest whole number ratio, because those are based on charges, the cation and anion. In contrast, our molecules, the covalent compounds, never ever reduce those, okay? C2H2Br2, you can't reduce that to CHBr. You have to leave whatever you see, that's exactly what you write, okay? So you never reduce subscripts in covalent in our molecular compounds. You can do that in ionic, but not in covalent. Don't reduce this. Let's do another one. I'll hit explanation just so that you can see it. So here's our answer, C2H2Br. Nice. Let's do another one. Oh, I like this. This is bigger. Okay, so we have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. I'll go ahead and find these on the periodic table. There's my hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Carbon is further to the left, so let's go ahead and write that first. We've got 1, 2, 3 carbons, C3, and then H, hydrogen comes second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6, and we've got 1, 2 oxygens. Okay, there you have it. Good work. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Thanks.